You want to do an intro to this with Doug and Eric?
Well, I mean, you're on the intro now. Do it.
Yo, Doug, what in the world are we doing?
Well, where did that come from, Eric? Did it come from that up there?
Well, part of it, yeah.
That thing.
That is a 2007 WRX STI, and we had an issue with the transmission. First, second, and reverse worked flawlessly. Third, fourth, fifth, and sixth, you'd put it in gear and nothing would happen. Wouldn't die, wouldn't do anything, just a little clicking and a chatter. Pulled the transmission, we got some more parts there, tail housing, stuff like that. I have never done this before, ever. And I had a buddy, he was gonna help me out. He didn't come through, so.
That's not me. Not me.
Nope. Doug has been bugging me to do this for about a month now. And I said, I don't know what I'm doing. And he said, well, you're gonna learn today. So we're ripping this thing apart. Right now we got what we believe is everything out that we need to out of the tail shaft. We got the drain pan off and just kind of looking in there. All the bolts are split from the case and we're going to see if we can pop this thing off and pull the rest of the case off to see all the gears to figure out what's wrong with this thing. Because I have no idea.
So now we're going to beat all the RTV apart and we'll get you guys back when we're ready to pull the case.
To get everything taken apart, up top, this is, we figured out an early model, 06, and we had to get this gear off. Now, we thought it would just pull off, tried to mess with it a little bit, but all these bolts on the outside come off, and now that I take this out, you'll see there is a little bearing in here, and if you look back in here, there's a little piece that connects on there and holds this said gear into the case. So now that that is out, we're going to get the last 4 of these Torx bits out, and then this whole plate should come off. Hopefully then we can pull the case. Now, with any luck, we might be able to move this. Maybe. Look at that. Like I know what I'm doing. All right, now
Let's see how we're doing, Eric.
we got some sort of C-clip here.
Yep. I saw that clip's got to come out. And that should be all you got to do. Just spread that apart.
I've heard that before.
Yeah, spread it. He's got needle nose and a screwdriver, but he's got all of this. All of these choices. This is what he's up to.
Look at this. Come on. I ain't got the right tool for that. You think I run a shop here?
Well, I guess not.
I'm sure they make some big fancy expensive tool.
No, it's just like a reverse pair of pliers. Oh, we're both gonna get hurt.
Safety squints. The middle name is Danger. There we go.
Wait, before you yank it off. Okay, it's all the way down.
That's just the spacer. Little clip.
Okay, keep going. These got to come out.
These 2 bolts
Out.
17.
These 3 have to get backed off. They already are.
Back off, back off, back off.
Those 3 nuts missing. All the bolts out of the case. That's free. So in theory, Eric can pull this thing right off the top. This is only a theory. Didn't happen.
We're still hitting that ring.
So that you're gonna have to get that nut off to get that bearing out.
I don't like that. That thing looks like it's put on there.
It's just staked on. We're gonna check with the internet.
Yeah. Okay, we figured this out. Snap ring is off. This bearing is just really, really, really tight. So I'm just gonna pry up, give it a little tap, and hopefully it should go through. Hopefully.
Is the shift fork pushing through? Shift rail?
Well, it's loose.
I think I know what's going on. I think it's in gear. We put it in gear, didn't we?
I don't remember.
That doesn't take much force to move.
But do we need to go down?
It should just kind of fall back to where it wants to go.
Well, this should just come right off.
Wow. All right, all right. Get the camera, it's right there, it's running, just pick it up.
Oh. Doug's taking the top off.
Something's happening. Picking up tools at the same time.
Oh yeah. I have no idea what this is,
Hi, Ryan.
but it just fell out. We got Ryan coming in. He's backup. Ryan came for backup, and we got this shattered. We got that.
Those are supposed to be connected. We need one shafting.
Oh,
But now we're 2 shafting.
we got 2 pieces. So
This right here, I think should be my new vape.
now we're just gonna figure out what we have to order and put all back together.
One expensive shaft.
Yeah,
And
you're
figure
gonna
out how
need
to put
main
it in.
shaft.
Not fun. Don't buy a Subaru. Doug, what do you got there?
This is a clutch alignment. Well, this is a clutch alignment tool.
Oh yeah, is that the new standard duty or is that factory? What do we got?
This is fully factory.
Ooh, factory?
This is from Subaru.
Clutch alignment tool.
And from what we have learned, this is not supposed to look like that.
It's almost
But
like
now that it does look like that, this is now a tool.
the reason why first and second work is these
They're
are
still
probably
attached.
first and second, and then when he grabbed third, he sheared the shaft. So
Third didn't grab him.
Right there. That's where they're supposed to. Hey,
Ooh.
I got a plan, Eric. Where's the JB weld?
I'll get some.
Okay.